So today I want to install a hidden service. First I connect to my server. Now that I'm logged into my server, I update the repositories. Now I can install my Apache web server. If I now open my website on the browser, there's Apache 2 default page. Now I will install the Tor software. And the last thing I have to do is to uncomment 2 lines in the config file. Line 71 and line 72. Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X. Now restart Tor. Now I can get the .onion domain in the following file. Here is my Tor domain. I can open my Tor browser, connect, enter the domain, and it worked. I don't even need to forward any ports. The web server's root folder is /var/www/html. I can delete the index.html file and create a new one. This is my deep web site. And now if I go to the page, the Tor network is pretty slow, but it loads. And the same here.